How to become Web DeDe and what Web DeDe is. Hello friends, my name is Igor from Galki Digital. In today's video I will explain you what Web DeDe is and why you should start this career path as a beginner web designer or beginner web developer. And let me know in the comment section down below, do you agree or not, and have you ever heard this term before? So what the heck Web DeDe is? Web DeDe is my own interpretation, my own personal term that comes from web designer and web developer. It's a mix of those two professions plus SEO consultant as well. In other words, Web DeDe is a one-man army who can design and develop fully responsive website with already SEO optimized features. The payouts for Web DeDe can be even double since it has all three professions in one, which means that Web DeDe actually can charge less money than agency, but still there will be loads of money for him as a freelancer for a single project. So what do you need to know if you like to become Web DeDe? HTML, CSS, JavaScript or jQuery is required. WordPress, WooCommerce is required. React, Gatsby is recommended. Local SEO is required, so you should know how you can optimize clients' website without using any plugin. You should know all technical SEO stuff, for example, heading structure, internal, external linking, plus how you can acquire new backlinks. If you want to expand your career even more, you can also learn about social media advertising, and once your website will be created, you can implement a proper strategy that can enhance the client's website visibility even more. So what are the cons and pros if you want to become Web DeDe? The first good thing is you can earn loads of money because you are working on a very serious and complex project. You are not working only as a web designer, you are working as a web designer, web developer and SEO consultant, so you can charge for three professions as a one person. The second good thing about being Web DeDe is client will look at you different, will treat you different because you know more than your competitors. The third and last good thing is that Web DeDe is quite a new career and it's highly demanded. Now the bad things. The bad thing about being Web DeDe is it requires loads of commitment, and the reason is you must learn all this stuff as yourself. You must learn how you can code website, how you can design website, and how you can optimize website. It's very time consuming. The other bad thing about being Web DeDe is you are obligated to be more than one person, which means that any new project will take much more time from start to finish. And the last bad thing about being Web DeDe is that you must be alone. You must be on yourself, which means you cannot outsmart this profession. You cannot hire someone who will do boring stuff, including coding or designing website, because everything must be built from scratch, from top to bottom, everything. And I mean user interface, code and code structure, code template, plus it must be built with SEO. Different people have different code thinking, so it must be done only by you. So Web DeDe is a highly demanded career path for beginners web designers, but it takes years to learn. But once you master skills and once you get more knowledge, you are pretty much one-man army who can design beautiful, unique websites. And I am the example. I can design and develop websites that are built with SEO, and this is very stressful sometimes, this is very frustrating, and sometimes I just want to cry. But once I launch my client's website, once it's live, and I see the progress, and what I mean by progress, I see how SEO, search results ranking, organically works, and how this all works together, it's a beautiful thing that I've created something from nothing, and that's why you should also consider becoming Web DeDe. This profession has no retirement date, like, to be honest. Like, for example, you must know and you must be aware all UI, web design trends. You must know how the Google algorithm changed and what has been changed and what should be changed, including SEO new strategies. You must know how the code works and what you should put inside the templates. You should be aware pretty much everything, because you are not working only, for example, as a web designer, but you are working also as a web designer, web developer and SEO consultant, which demands loads of time and you must put loads of effort. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a like, leave a comment if you want. Have a great day, have a great night. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.